Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is a quick video. I Raptor Liner this truck about 5 months ago, and I think I haven't washed it since. Today, what I'm gonna do is try to see how it could withstand the pressure washer. I haven't seen anything as far as how the wash can be, but I've been asked about it, so I figured let's do a quick video of testing the pressure washer. I'm gonna go with just that 40-degree nozzle on it and start to wash it again just to see. It hasn't chipped. The paint, the Raptor Liner has withstood pretty well over the last 5 months through storms and the summer heat. And I think I saw one slight chip from rock, okay, right there, and that's the only thing after five months, which it needs another coat. This one was a light coat paint. However, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick wash to see how it can withstand that wash. Okay, so as we can see, we got clothes. I don't see much coming off. Well, you can see probably some of the original paint is because we really did a light coat when we painted this one. This was the first truck I did, and it was a learning process. But now I'm seeing that where all the light coat was, where I did need another coat on this side specifically. But with the pressure washer, it's a good result. We're not seeing anything chip off or peel, so I think you're pretty safe from what I see so far to pressure wash the Raptor Liner. All right, so it's good.